Okay, join your hands, everybody. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. Dear Father, bless and heal the world. Dear Father, as our little Dhyan Jayesh is celebrating his birthday, bless him with happiness and let him grow to be thy child. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Okay, let's wish happy birthday to Dhyan. Yes?
Happy birthday, Dian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what we will do is we will
Happy birthday, Dian.
okay, let's sing happy birthday for Dhyan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dhyan. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, dear Dhyan. Happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday, Dhyan.
Happy birthday, Dian.
What should you say, Dhyan?
Thank you, friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, has the screen become normal? Can you see me now, everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So, children, today I'm going to sing a song for you. Listen to that song. I think you can all sing with me. Okay, ready? Let's do that. Listen to me first. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Can we sing it together? Ready? Yes. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, listen. How many days are there in a week, children? There are 7 days. How many days are there? 7 days. Okay, what are these 7 days? Okay, let's start. Sunday, Sunday. 1 minute, listen. 1 minute. What I'll do is I'll mute you all. Okay, what is Sunday? It is a day for fighting. Sunday ranadosana. No. Sunday is a holiday and it is the first day of a week. Okay, when a week begins, this is the Sunday is the first day of the week. Okay, Sunday. Then comes Monday, not your talamanda. Okay, it's Monday. Heard? Okay, then comes Tuesday. What is it? Tuesday. Then comes Wednesday. Then comes Thursday. After that comes Friday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. So we have 7 days in a week. Shall we repeat all these 7 days? Will you all repeat those days with me? Okay, start. Sunday. Say loudly. Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Okay. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. And Saturday. And Saturday. Can we repeat? Okay. Let's sing the song again. Okay, now you have to sing like this. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, you have to say it together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, I want all the girls to sing with me now. Okay, boys, keep it muted. I'm going to unmute. Only the girls will sing with ma'am. Ready? Don't run away. We have to sing it together. Okay, I'm giving you unmuting you. So boys, keep it muted. Only the girls will unmute. Ready, girls? We'll sing it together. Ritika? Okay. Nakshatra?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing it together. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. Silent. Okay, together. Let's sing it. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday. Monday, Monday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I think it's becoming a mess, right? Okay, what we will do is keep it muted. Everybody keep it muted. I think I can hear a lot of sounds. Keep it muted, everybody. Okay, Banu, mute it. Ritika, mute it. Okay, Via, mute it. Amran, okay. I will sing, you will sing along with me. Do not unmute, okay? Because it's a lot of sound. Ma'am is having ear pain, okay? So I can't take too much sound. Ready? Let's do it. Let's sing it together. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days. Amran, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, these are the 7 days in a week. Okay, children, which is the first day of the week? Do you know which is the first day of the week? It is Sunday. Which is the first day in a week? Sunday. Okay. So, okay, now everybody take your textbook, page number 39. In your textbook, take your page number 39. We have in GK days of the week. Okay, days of the week. Okay, so there will be 3 questions. One is, how many days are there in a week? So you have to say 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. How will you give the answer? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. How many days are there in a week? Kevin, give me the answer. How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Very good. Okay, which is the first day of the week, Kevin?
First day.
Which is the first day? Just now I said. Huh? Sunday. You start with the fight, na? Chanda? Yes? No. Okay, Sunday is the first day of the week. Now, Zehra, can you name all the 7 days? Can you say the names of all the 7 days?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
And Saturday.
Sunday.
Allaganna, and Saturday. You started with Sunday, no? So count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, you need not say Saturday and Sunday because we started with Sunday. So ended with Saturday. Okay, so children, listen, we all have calendars in our house. Okay, we have calendars in our house. In that, it is marked Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. Okay, if you don't have calendars, you can ask your parents to show in the mobile phone. There is calendar in all the phones. Okay, mummies will show you. You will not open it. Okay, and parents tell them how it is to be read. Okay, in short forms, they would have written MONTUE like that. But we are going to learn the full spellings. So look into the book and point out your fingers so that we'll start with reading it. Okay, everybody put your finger there on the book. Yes, Krishang is showing us the calendar. Krishang, ma'am can speak Malayalam, but ma'am cannot read Malayalam. Okay? Yes, Krishang, I'm seeing a calendar. It's in Malayalam. Yes? Okay, keep it there. I know it is days of the week. So, Krishang, mummy will help you to read that. Okay? Yes. Now, everybody, 39 page number. Let's put our fingers and read. Do you see the letters in red color there? Okay, let's read. Sunday. What's the first day? Sunday. S-U-N, sun. D-A-Y, day. Sunday. Move your finger to the next one. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Put your finger and read with ma'am. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Now, move your finger to the next word. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Now, next one. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. How do you split it and read? W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, ness, D-A-Y, day. Wednesday. Children, listen one thing. When you go to first standard next year, you will have to read big letters. So how are you going to split it? Split it into 3 and read. First 3 letters, split. Next 3 letters, split. And then you read. Okay? Yes. Who called me right now? Somebody? Give me your name. Give me your name. Amran, speak. Page number 39, Amran. Page number 39 and keep it muted, please. Mute your button. Amran, please do mute. Okay. Now, next let's read Thursday. T-H, Alasia, put your finger on the book. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Next, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Friday means frying day. Fish Friday? No. Okay, F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Okay, it's a day, not frying day. Okay, then Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Can we read it one more time? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Abhimanyu, what happened? I see you very much not in mood. Put your finger on the book and read. Alazy also. Put your finger and read. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so these are the 7 days in a week, and I want my children to learn the 7 days today. Okay, read it. Now, everybody move to page number 26 in your textbook. Okay, please go to page number 26 in your textbook. We are moving to English IB words. 2626. Turn front. Okay, don't go backwards, to the front. Okay, do you see IB words? Okay. The first one, what do we see there? B-I-B, bib. What is bib, children? B-I-B, bib. Anybody know? Okay, listen, I will tell you. When you were small babies, okay, when you were vavas, your mother used to give you milk, and also she used to give you sometimes the Cerelac, what you call porridge, okay, all the juices. She'll put it in a small bowl. She'll take it with a spoon, and when she puts it to your mouth, you will play with it and you put it down. Okay, so mommy doesn't want to mess you, so she tie a bib. Okay, she ties a small cloth, a bib around the baby's neck. Okay, and she makes you sit on a chair and she will feed you in the bowl. That time, even if you put it down, it doesn't fall onto your dress. It will be on the all that Cerelac and all will be on your bib, all will be on your bib. So she can remove that and she can go for washing. Okay, she ties a bib not to help you not to mess the dress. Okay, if what will happen if you don't tie a bib, all the cerelac, milk, whatever you taken will fall onto your dress and you will make your dress dirty. So mummy will tie a small bib on your neck. If you have babies in your house, you can see how mummy is feeding the baby. Okay, if you have small babies in your house, you go and see how mummy is giving cerelac to your babies. Okay, she will always tie a bib around the neck. Okay, now let's move to the next word. N-I-B, nib. What is nib? Have you seen, do you all write with a pen sometimes? Have you seen your dad writing with a pen? So the pen will have a tip, okay, and it is called the nib. What is it called? The tip of the pen is called nib, with which we write. Okay, look into your book. Look into your book and you see N-I-B. What is it? Nib. N-I-B is nib. Now, move to the next word. What is it? R-I-B, rib. What is rib, children? You all have rib cage inside your body. Okay? നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട് rib inside our body. Okay? Inside that, our heart and lungs are inside. Okay, so when you go to bigger classes, when you learn science, body parts, you will learn internal organs. That time you will learn what is this. Okay, now understand that is rib. Rib cage is inside our own body. Okay, nammada body da this rib is there, inside which the heart and lungs are all kept safely by God. Okay, now let's read. B-I-B, bib. N-I-B, nib. R-I-B, rib. Heard? Let's read one more time. B-I-B, bib. N-I-B, nib. R-I-B, rib. Okay? Now, since there are
Hello. Ma'am, you will stuck. Ma'am, you will stuck. I cannot see you, ma'am. Ma'am, you suck. Ma'am, I cannot see. Ma'am, you net problem. Ma'am. Hello, Namaste. Hello, Sarah.
keep it muted, everybody. Please take page number 31. Okay, now let's continue. These are IX words. Okay, the first one, MIX, mix. Have you seen your mummy mixing up? Somebody is talking. Who is that? Can you keep it muted, please? Namasvi, mute it. Najum, mute it. I can hear you all talk. Okay, MIX, mix. What is mix? Mixing powder and milk, mixing sugar in the coffee or tea. Have you seen your mummy mixing the curries? Okay, so she does a mix there. Okay, so that's when she makes a cake and all that. Have you seen her mixing the powder? Have you seen beating and mixing the eggs? Okay, so that's called mix. Okay, the next one, fix, F-I-X, fix. Sometimes when we have our taps having a repair or the plumbing, people will come and fix it. Okay, see, their man is fixing a tap. Okay, fixing it. Next one, six, S-I-X, six. What is six? Six is a number. So you all know six is a number. Shall we read it one more time? M-I-X, mix. Amrin, please keep it muted. F-I-X, fix. And the next one is S-I-X, six. Let's read one more time. M-I-X, mix. F-I-X, fix. S-I-X, six. Now sharing my board, please watch how to write these words. Okay, so today first we learned IB words. Let's see what are they. Okay, first we saw all the IB words. So what are the three words which we learned today? One is bib, B-I-B, bib. Bib is a small cloth which is tied to the baby's neck while feeding the food for the baby. Okay, the next one is, what did we learn? It was rib, R-I-B, rib. It is a rib cage which we all have it in our body. The next one is nib, N-I-B, nib. Nib is the tip of the pen which we use it for writing. Okay, nib. Okay, the next one, today we learned IX words. Okay, these are two set of different rhyming words. X words. What is X words? The first one we learned was mix, M-I-X, mix. The next one is fix, F-I-X, fix. And the third one is yes, I-X, six. That's a number. Mix is mixing with a bowl and a mummy is stirring something and mixing something. Okay, mix. Okay, now let's read. B-I-B, bib. Everybody repeat. B-I-B, bib. R-I-B, rib. N-I-B, nib. Next word. M-I-X, mix. F-I-X, fix. S-I-X, six. Okay, understood? So I want to write these three words and also write the IX words and learn today. Okay, here also we have missing letters, matching and all that. Heard, children? Okay, for example, if I give you these words like this, okay, dash I-B, like this. You can write any letter there which will make a sense. Okay, understood? If I give just IB, okay, you can write anything. You can write R, it is correct. No, if you want to write N, then it is also correct. If you write B, it is also correct. But remember, when I give a picture, for example, if I give a picture and I give this IB, then you have to write only what? Then you have to write only nib here, N-I-B, because there's a picture. I meant that picture. Okay? Yes. So for example, if I give the number like this and I give dash dash X. So what's this word number? It is 6. So you will write yes, I, X, 6. Heard? Okay? You have an idea what I said? Now look into your pictures in the book, page number 31. Put your finger and read. M-I-X, mix. F-I-X, fix. S-I-X, 6. Okay? M-I-X, mix. F-I-X, fix. S-I-X, 6. Okay? Now move to the next word. Okay, now let's go to max now. What do we go? We go to max now. Okay? Close your books. Keep it on the table. Today, Mama is going to teach you circle the biggest. What am I going to teach you? Circle the biggest. Okay, now listen. We have few numbers here. What are the numbers? See here, I have 1, I have 2. Okay, I'm going to write all the 10 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in this, which is the smallest number? Namaswi, which is the smallest number? Krishang is showing me in action. Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest number. I'm asking you now, which is the biggest number? Do you know which is biggest? 10 is the biggest number. Now listen carefully. I'm going to write 3 numbers here. I'm going to write 3 numbers here. Let's see what are those numbers. One is, I'm going to write here 1, 3, and 10. Next set will be 9, 7, and 2. Okay, now the first set number, okay, the first set number, that is here A, okay, and this is B. This is the first numbers 1, 3, and 10. In these 3 numbers, you tell me which is the biggest. Is it 1? 1 is smaller. Which number is bigger than 1? 3. But biggest number is among these two is, among these 3 numbers is, which is the biggest number? It's 10. 10 is the biggest number. I have 1 chocolate. I have 3 chocolates. I have 10 chocolates. Which is more now? 10 chocolates is more. So I circle 10. Okay. The next set of numbers. I have 9 chocolates. I have 7 chocolates. I have 2 chocolates. Krishang, which is the biggest number among this? Unmute and give me the answer. Which is biggest?
9.
Very good. 9 is the biggest. So I circle 9. Okay. I'll give you a few more numbers. Now listen. I have 3 chocolates. I have 5 chocolates. I have 1 chocolate. Then which is biggest in this? Srinidhi. 3, 5, and 1. Which is the biggest number among these? 3, 5, 1. Don't ask him, mummy. No, mummy is not helping. 3 chocolates I have. I have 5 chocolates. I have 1 chocolate. Which is biggest? Huh? 5 is more. So we circle that. Okay, I will explain this one more time. Now listen. See, 3, 5, and 1 is the number. I have 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here I have 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have only 1 ball. Okay. I have 3 balls in a box. I have 5 balls in a box. I have 1 ball in a box. Now tell me which is the biggest number here? Which box is having more number? Ayush, can you give me the answer? Which box is having more numbers?
5.
Very good. So 5 is the box which is having more number. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have more. So I have to circle 5. Same way, I have few more numbers here. 10, 8, and 7. Sasha, give me the answer. Which is more in this? 10, 8, 7. I have 10 chocolates. I have 8 chocolates. I have 7 chocolates. Which is more here? Sasha?
10.
10. 10 is the biggest number. Okay. For example, again, I'm going to give you some more numbers. Listen. I have 100 balls. I have 50 balls. I have 10 balls. Dhyan Jayesh, which is more?
10.
Which is more? Which is the biggest number? 100. 100 is the biggest number. So I will circle the biggest number. So I will ask you the question. Circle, okay? Circle the biggest. What is the spelling of biggest? Learn this. B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Okay? Circle the biggest. If I say biggest, you have to circle the biggest number. Now, again, I'm going to write few numbers. 65, 23, 99. Okay, these are the few numbers which I have. Now, Namaswi. Namaswi, give me the answer, which is big, more here. 65, 23, and 99. Which is more? Yes, 99 is the more. Now, Issa, watch carefully. I'm going to write numbers for you. 77, 88, 33. Okay, I have 77, 88, 33. Isa, please, can you tell me which is more here? Which number is more, Isa? 88. So 88 is the biggest number. Okay, again watch. I have 25. I have 55. I have 35. Which is more here?
55.
Daksh Pillai, which is more? 25, 55, 35. Which is big? Daksh Pillai, 55 is the biggest number. Okay, keep it muted. So children, today I will be sending few numbers from 1 to 20 alone. Okay, I want you to circle which is the biggest number in that. Will you be able to do that? Yes.
Yes.
So today you have to learn all the 7 days name. Okay, how many days are in a week? 7 days. You have to learn that. Circle the biggest number and also learn IB words and IX words. Okay, then shall we wind up? See you all in the next session, UKGA. Bye bye. See you all.
I love you.
Love you too. Bye bye.